Hello, guys. Digital marketing codes. As we discussed, this is our first class, and for the 4 months, we will be continuously talking about the marketing, that to digital marketing. And today, we'll be talking about the prerequisites of website designing. What is domain? What is hosting? How to buy them? These things we'll be learning. And tomorrow, directly, we'll be creating a website. The complete week, we'll be learning about the designing. 2 weeks, starting from the basic website to advanced level we'll be learning. And after that, there are different marketing techniques like SEO, Google Ads, social media. We'll be learning them. Okay, I'm just waiting for the student to join. Just give me some time. Okay. Suraj, are you in Bangalore now? MTS Digital Seva. Where are you from? I'm just waiting for the student. She's on the way. She's coming. Okay. I targeted the first video also for Bangalore only. Pino D. Kumar, hi. Are you from Bangalore? Pino D. Kumar? Right. Chalo, before we start, instead of wasting the time, guys, tell me what is your understanding of the website? To create a website, what are the things we require? What are the knowledge you have? Just share me over here. I'll try to read it. Binodi Kumar, Manipur. Okay. And Binodi Kumar, have you ever come across my channel? Or this is the first time you're seeing as a live? So the question to the viewers, what do you know about the website? Not to create a website, what is required? So the username cake saying that domain and hosting. Okay. Can you please elaborate what do you mean by domain? What do you mean by hosting? Any idea? Cake. Any idea? What exactly is the domain and hosting? You can answer, no problem. You are who are joining, assume you are a beginner. I'll try to solve all the questions. Domain is your site name. Hosting is the server platform. Very good. True. Can you name few of them?
So, oh,
Swati,
sorry.
hi.
Good evening. Their time. Good evening. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before you come, I was asking the question to the viewers.
Mm.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
So from today, our journey will be starting,
Yes.
and this is more about the websites we're talking about.
Mhm.
So please tell me, what is your understanding of the website?
A website is a, a place where you can have information.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo, do you have any idea how to create a website? What is required before?
No, sir. I don't have any idea, sir, because I have never been to any like this kind of.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You have a phone with you, and
Yes, sir.
anyway, to make a calls to someone else,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the prerequisite? To talk to someone over the phone, what are the prerequisites?
Uh, Exchange, like
Before that, you
exchange.
should have a phone. You should
Yes,
have a
sir.
phone,
Yes, sir.
and you should have a SIM card.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Oh,
So when
yes.
you insert your SIM card into the phone,
Huh.
it will work and you can talk to the other people.
Huh.
Okay.
Huh.
So in a same way, in
Hmm.
order to create a website also,
Huh.
same like a SIM card and phone, you need few things.
Okay, sir.
Okay. There is
Hmm.
a terminology for that. I'll be explaining
Hmm.
those terminology to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll be sharing the screen. 1 second.
Yes, sir. So class. Hmm.
Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Now let me open my website first.
Hmm.
odmt.in/English.
Hmm.
I actually odmt.in is our main website, but especially I'm targeting the Telugu audience here
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
because this is the English channel. So English. I'm planning for one more thing, Hindi also in the future. Then
Great, sir.
slash. Chalo, this is our website. A
Hmm.
simple website.
Hmm.
This is the face of the company. So people want any information, they can check over here. Based on that, they can enroll for the
Hmm.
course.
Hmm.
Okay, right.
Hmm.
So this is the name I have registered.
Hmm.
Okay, so in order to create a website, first thing you need is this thing.
Hmm.
This is called domain. Domain name. Domain name is nothing
Yes, sir.
but
Don't mind.
name of the website.
Name of the website.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I
sir.
can easily tell you that this is more like a SIM card.
Yes, sir.
Make a call, you need a SIM card, right? So here also same thing. SIM
Hmm.
card.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Right.
Hmm.
Now, is SIM card is free or you have to buy it?
You have to buy. We have to buy it, sir.
We have to buy it, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. 1 second. Yes. John Chris. Can you able to see full screen now? I made a full screen.
Hmm.
So you have to buy. So you tell me,
Hmm.
assume that you are in India to buy a SIM card.
Hmm.
Which SIM card you prefer?
Which has good network, which is
Like
yes,
example.
like it's some Airtel
Yeah.
or Reliance
So we
Jio.
have so many things, Airtel, Geo, so many things are there.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are all the service providers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. In the same way, to buy a domain, now as of now, my domain name is odmt.in.
Hmm.
This is the name.
Yes, sir.
To get this name also, how we have a SIM card providers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the
Hmm.
same way, we have a domain providers as well. Here we have a Airtel Geo, right?
Yes,
Here
sir.
we have
Reliance.
GoDaddy,
Yeah.
Bluehost,
Yes, sir.
Hostinger, domain.com, SiteGround. In such a way,
Yes.
so many people are there. They're obviously doing the business. Okay. You can buy from anyone. Okay. Tomorrow I'll tell you.
What?
Tomorrow
What?
to buy it.
Sir. Sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt you, sir. What are these things? Like what? Just mentioned.
These are other domain name providers.
Domain name providers.
Like Airtel is providing a SIM, right? In the same way, to buy the domain, this is the domain name
Okay.
providers.
Okay. So they give us name.
Yes,
Our
yes,
website name.
true.
Okay, sir. And so, which one is good in
Yeah,
these?
I will show you that. I'll
Okay,
show
sir.
you. Tomorrow,
Okay, sir.
practically, we're gonna buy it actually. Today, I'm just show you the terminology, all these things.
Okay,
Tomorrow,
sir.
I will take one domain, I will buy it, and I will show you how to set up all the things.
Okay, sir. Get it, sir.
So far, everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Chalo. Now, what we understood is to create a website, this name is important, and
Yes, sir.
you have to go to one of them and you can buy them. So, as of now, I can go to anything. Let me go to GoDaddy. I'm not concluding where to buy it, just I'll show them. Tomorrow, I'll conclude you where to buy it.
Mm.
So, as of now, I'm going to the GoDaddy. So, John, Chris, is it good now? Can you able to see the full screen?
Uh,
Please let me know.
yes, sir. Now I can
So,
see, sir.
GoDaddy.com. Chalo, I've been here. Next thing.
Mm.
When it comes to the number, you will be having some number, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, actually, our ODMT main website number,
Mm.
this is our number.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Is there any chance that other person also can get the same number?
Yeah.
Is it possible?
No, if a person stop using it, sir.
Yeah, but as
Hmm.
of now, at a time, only one
Yes, sir.
person can use one
Yes, sir.
number, right?
Definitely, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
In the same way, domain name also same thing. If odmt.in, if I purchased,
Hmm.
no one else in the world can purchase it again. That is mine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And
Okay.
assume that you want to buy, your name is something like swati.com, you want to buy it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But we don't know, right? Which
Yes,
is
sir.
already purchased by someone else or not. So first we have to check it whether it is available or not.
Okay, sir. And where we
Okay.
have to check it, sir?
Same domain name provider. I've been to GoDaddy or any other. You
Huh.
just go there.
Huh.
Once you go there, type it. Now I'm searching.
Okay, sir.
Swati.com is available or not. And
Yes,
if
sir.
I click on this, it will tell me whether it is available or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before I show you, this SIM card is there. Do you have any idea what is the cost of a SIM card? Generally,
I think
100
four,
rupees. In
four,
India,
huh?
100
400.
rupees, sometimes
Yes,
free also.
yes, sir.
Have you
Yes.
ever imagined that
We
people
have.
spend 1 lakh rupee for
Huh.
numbers?
Huh.
Is it possible? Do you think people buy?
What? No, sir.
People
We,
buy. People spend crore rupees also. Triple eight, double eight, triple eight, double eight. That's the number. This
okay.
is fancy number, right? Normal number like this, you will get it for 100 rupees. But you want a
Yes,
fancy
sir.
number, you have to pay more money. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Why I'm telling you, because
Mm-hmm.
normal names, whatever the name is there, now
Mm.
odmt.in, I got it in less than 200 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. But
Okay.
some names are very expensive. Sometimes it will go beyond 3 crore rupees as well.
Okay.
So once you come to the domain name providers, first check whether it is available or not. If it
And
is available, what is the cost?
okay.
Okay.
And
So now
so,
I'm searching.
like
Yeah.
it's a letters name. Your name, your site name is ODMT, right? So it's a letters name. So, how could we know that we should choose a letters name or a word, particular word? So, can you get my?
Means
Huh.
means what exactly your question is? What name you have to choose? This is your question.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, that is depends on your brand, right? That
Okay.
depends on your brand. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll explain that as well.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So now I'm checking swati.com here. I'm clicking on yes. It is checking whether it is available or not. Can you see the
Mhm.
price? 7 lakhs 29,000. If you really want to buy a name on your own brand, this is the
Okay.
cost. You want
स्वाति
to
का
buy
बहुत
this?
डिमांड है सर.
हाँ, इंडिया में हर गली में एक स्वाति रहते हैं. Whether they are from Rajasthan or Hyderabad, Swatis are there actually. That's why, see, many people might have searched for Swati, then automatically it's become a premium domain, and the cost is this much. Okay, right. So, but you're not interested to spend that much money. Then what you can do is, again, let me go for another normal domain name like swatinews.com. Can you see here? What?
News.
Swati has a demand, but Swati added something. I don't know. I'm surprised to see why it is 1 rupee they added. Maybe they have the strategy. But generally, domain names will be 90 and 190. Recently, they changed the strategy. 1 rupee kate. Chalo. I should not 100 rupees. So, this is good, right? You don't have to invest that many rupees. Swati.com is not required anyway. So, get something like this. Don't invest too much on this. Okay. Now, this is available. swatinews.in. Just click on that, pay from debit or credit card, and the cost is for 1 year. Let me check it actually. So he said 1 rupee, but is it actually 1 rupee or not? ठीक है भाई, बहुत अच्छा लगा बात करके. मैं कनेक्ट करता हूँ जल्दी. Bye. Make it yours. Continue. Yeah, see, full domain protection. Leave all of them. And I don't want anything. Let me see what is the final price.
Bye.
See your by default few things added. I'm deleting everything. And he's giving for 3 years. I didn't ask for 3 years. So I'm just selecting 1 year. And here the server is added. I'm deleting it. Can you see here? He just mentioned 1 rupee, but it's not true.
Hmm.
949 rupees.
Hmm.
So the cost of the domain to maintain for 1 year is 949 rupees. Maybe some more tax also he added. Finally, within 1,000 rupees, you'll be getting it. Just
Okay,
ready to
sir.
pay. Debit or credit card. This is your domain for 1 year, 12
Hmm.
months. Now you understood how to buy a domain?
Yes, sir. And so we have to pay every year, right?
Obviously.
For the website.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you want, you can book it for 10 years as well.
Okay.
When you go for longer years, the cost will
And,
be reduced.
and so what if we stop using the like we stop paying the amount of the website then?
Same, you tell me you purchase the SIM card and you're not using.
Okay.
After a few days, they will allot to someone else.
Okay, sir.
Same thing is also. If you don't renew it, it will go to someone else.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now the discussion, what we understood till now is, if you really want to make a conversation on the phone, you need a SIM card and a phone in the same way. In order to create a website, we need domains. Now we clearly understand domain means name of the website. This is a sample domain name, and you can buy from any of these providers. Just now I've been there and checked what is the cost of Swati.com. It was very expensive. Then I added a few names like Swati News. It came less than 1,000 rupees. Okay. Now I purchased it. Now, is it done? Buying a domain name is enough? Can you able to create a website or you want something else? Here to make a conversation only SIM card is enough or you want something else? Only SIM card is not enough, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you want? Phone होना है आपको, correct? Physical device is mandatory. In the same way, only domain name is nothing. I'll come back to again difference between .com, .in. I'll explain later.
Okay, sir.
Let us come back to the main topic called whatever the data is there in my website. See here, there are some forms, there are some fonts, images are there. Where these data is stored, is it stored in my system or your system? What do you think? Now you are in USA. If you search this also, this website will load, all the images will load. And I'm in Hyderabad, India. When I open also, this is happening. And people are from Bangalore over there who want they can also see it. But where is this image is stored and everybody able to access it? What do you think? So where this data is stored?
On your site, sir?
So no. Any answer from the live audience? You can answer me, guys. So where the data is stored, website information data, where exactly it will be stored? If anyone know the answer, please tell me.
Last day you told me, sir.
Yeah, if you remember, you can recall it. John Chris is saying that live server. Correct. See, Swati, your data will be stored in a server.
Sir,
What is server? I'll explain you clearly. Okay. See, assume that my drawing is not that much great, but I'm just drawing. This is India, this is China, this is US, Africa. There's a difference. Okay. Now, your data will be stored in a server. Server is a centralized location where your data is stored. Okay. There are different websites, they hosted their data here. Okay. Okay, I should know there are three websites. Now, one guy from India searching for a website, this request will go from line and one and directly it will go to the server. Now server will start searching where is that website. It will picks up and it will give to the customer in fraction of seconds. You might have seen this if you search for Amazon, in milliseconds only the website will get loaded. But this much of process is happening. And there are three websites. These three websites have hosted their data here. But which one is Amazon? Do you know this? You don't know, right? Whether this is Amazon, this is Amazon.
Mm.
That's why what is important? Naming is important.
Mm.
You have to name it properly, otherwise you don't know what is this, what is this.
Mm.
So data is nothing but your websites, text, images, videos, whatever is there
Mm.
that I'm storing in the server. At the same time, to refer it properly, I'm
Mm.
naming them. So I'm naming it as a Amazon.in. This is one thing.
Mm.
And I'm naming it as odmt.in. And this is something, whatever it might be, ebay.com. So naming is very important, right? Like you joined my session and three
Mm.
more people are joining.
Mm.
And if I don't have a name, it's really tough to call them Swati, Preeti, like this. So that's why we
Mm.
have a name. In the same way, websites also, what are the
Mm.
data we have? We have a unique name. And remember, no two websites are same. We discussed swati.com is allotted to someone means that's it. No one can get it again.
Okay.
Now Amazon have now let's see the Amazon.
Mm.
Amazon have more than 30 crore products. 30 crore products.
Mm.
These all will be stored in a server.
Mm.
Okay. Now this guy requested for Amazon.in. This request will go, server find where is Amazon website in this, and it will catch it. And
Mm.
whatever the information he requested, that data will be given to this guy in fraction of seconds.
Mm.
Okay. And
Mhm.
here, see, when it comes to this cloud server, it's a very big topic. There is a software called Amazon AWS, which is a big topic, and there are so many people looking out for a career in that actually.
Mhm.
But we don't want, as a marketers, we should know how much is important for us. We need this much only, so we don't
Mhm.
want beyond that.
Mhm.
So this is called name. It is called domain, and whatever the data stored over here,
Mm.
this is called hosting. Hosting means
Okay.
space in a server. Means in order to create a website, first you have to buy a domain. At the same time, you have to buy space also. Space is
Oh.
not, you have to buy the space also because you're using the space, right?
Mhm.
Then I told you before, like the easy example. This is SIM card. What is this? Domain is SIM card, and this is a phone. And if you use both of them, you can make a call. Now, domain plus hosting equals to website. Simple. Now, I already told you how to buy a domain, correct? Now, we
Yes.
got the domain, right? Now, we need a hosting as well. Now, let me show you how to buy a hosting. Today, we are not buying, but tomorrow, we're buying. First of all, I want to give you knowledge. Later, we'll buy it. Chalo.
Okay.
So, can you see your
Yes, sir.
website
Domain website hostings. Yes, sir.
and hosting is there. So let me
Mm.
click on this. Now here I'm going for the hosting. Again, here there are so many terminologies there: website hosting, web hosting, WordPress hosting, DPS hosting, all hosting options. Okay,
Okay,
you can
sir.
go for anyone. We'll go for the normal one.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow I'll explain you in detail about it.
Okay, sir.
Hosting.
Mm-hmm.
Hosting means what? Space in a server. How much space you want? It depends on your websites, right? It's
Okay.
like assure that you are in an apartment. Some people might need single bedroom apartment. Okay,
Okay.
some need double bedroom.
Okay.
Some need like Ambani people need complete apartment only they need it, not a
Mm-hmm.
flat. Am I
Mm-hmm.
correct? In the same way here also, if you see here, starter, economy, deluxe,
Mm-hmm.
it's more like this is single bedroom, double, triple, एक पूरा floor ले रहे और there are some people who want a VPS hosting and there are dedicated servers also. Like Amazon, I
Okay.
explained right. Amazon never share their server with someone else. They'll be having a dedicated server only. But we are a
Okay,
small
sir.
and medium companies. Obviously, we'll be buying a space with along with the someone else. We don't need a complete apartment, right?
Okay,
Single
sir.
bedroom, double bedroom, triple bedroom is enough for us. In the same way, my website is very small website, not
So,
more than one
sorry,
page.
sir. Sorry to interrupt you, but I wanted to ask a question that the space of the survey, what what
That is
we
what
have to
that is called hosting.
hosting. So,
Yeah.
depends on our website engagement, right?
What is your question? Depends on.
Our website engagement, like how much our website is getting engagement by public, or how much we are our
No,
website.
it's not about the engagement initially. How much data you have? Okay,
Okay,
like Amazon have 30 crore products. Obviously, they want a bigger hosting. My website
okay,
have less than 10 pages. I don't want a big hosting.
okay,
Okay, based
okay,
on how many people you have, you will choose the
okay.
apartment, right? Single bedroom or double bedroom. Same here as well. How much content you have? What do you think? If it is an e-commerce website where you are hosting around 1,000 products, go for a
Yes,
bigger
sir.
one. Otherwise, this
Okay,
starting plans are enough for you.
okay, sir.
So here, again, if you use here, they will show you remaining options as well. See here, starter plan. You
Okay,
can
sir.
host only one website.
Okay, sir.
Here you can see 10 websites you can host. Once you buy a hosting, you can have 25 websites also. In the starter plan, we can have only one
My
website.
website.
And storage is 10 GB. So if you're
Okay,
adding more images, again it will be out of this way. But 10 GB is enough. Small companies or medium companies, 10 GB is very good actually.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And these things not required, we'll discuss tomorrow because you are a beginner. I want to go in
Yes,
a
sir.
same way.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So as of now, hosting is nothing but space in a server. How much space you want it, based on that you
Mm-hmm.
can go for it.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, I'm telling you this is enough. But if you start an agency, so
Mm-hmm.
many clients are coming, you can go for a ultimate this hosting ultimate, which
Okay,
is
sir.
costing 399 per month. Which is not
Okay, sir.
a huge amount. It is
Mm-hmm.
reasonable only. Okay, I'm going with this one
Okay,
initially.
sir.
So you
Okay,
want
sir.
to buy this hosting 79 rupees per month,
Okay,
then
sir.
click on buy now.
Mm-hmm.
Now domain we added.
Mm-hmm.
Next, see this guy is automatically added for 36 months. If you don't want for 36 months, just remove this. I want it for 12 months
Mm-hmm.
and continue to cart.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what is the cost here.
Two items are there, sir.
No, actually, I am. This is one of my client GoDaddy account.
Mm-hmm.
I go there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let us go for a normal one. So GoDaddy. Directly, I'm going to the hosting, web hosting, buy now. People who are watching, don't buy immediately. Tomorrow, I will show you which hosting you have to use. Wherever you want to buy, go with that only. Click on buy now, and I want it for 12 months. Then continue to cart. He'll ask you to create an account. Once you create account,
Mm-hmm.
the hosting also will be coming. So overall, I'll tell you the total cost it will be to maintain a one website is 4,000 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Here you will be getting a domain
And hosting.
plus hosting also. Okay. I will show you practically tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
I'll take one domain and I'll buy it.
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far? Now, have you understood what is domain, what is hosting, how
Mm-hmm.
to buy domain hosting, and how to buy hosting? Domain and hosting. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, you are watching online. If you have any questions, please shoot it over here so that I'll solve. Domain hosting, how to buy domain hosting. If you have any questions, just ask me.
Sir, how should we choose the name of the website? Uh,
Yeah, I'm coming back to that.
okay,
Now
sir.
I'm coming back. Before that, now I'm telling you about .com. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here in this name, if
Mm-hmm.
you see the domain name www.odmt.in, this
Mm-hmm.
is how a website will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir. And
And
what is the full form of ODMT, sir?
this is online digital marketing training.
Okay.
So it will be very big, right? That's why I just took the acronym.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now, if you observe this,
Mm-hmm.
do we have any? Someone asked the question. Can't see this. Second. One time. One time means Bino. What do you mean by one time? 1 month you talking about? Both you can buy. Domain hosting at the same time you can buy. Right. Now,
Great,
Swati,
sir.
what do you think?
Just so many people are online, sir.
Today, right? 14 people.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
We need more people anyway. If we keep on doing live, more people will come.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Swati, what is your understanding of this www?
World website,
This is called World Wide Web.
wide website.
It's
Yes.
the internet consortium
Mm-hmm.
company who organize internet. So, and it doesn't mean that you have to add www. Without that, also website will come. And this
Okay.
is called a domain name, and
Uh,
this .in is called extensions. You know .com, you know .in.
mm-hmm.
Any other idea apart from .com, .in? Any other extensions are there?
Mm,
Viewers also can type this. Apart from .com, .in, what are the extensions you know, guys? Swati, have you ever observed any other extensions?
yes, I have already did it, but right now I don't remember.
Okay.
Dep-
Somebody say .ae. .ae is Dubai, I think. Dot C. People are typing. .org, .gov, .mobile, .uk, .us. These are all the
mm,
extensions only. Okay.
mm,
Yes. .gov is for government
mm,
organization.
mm,
.net.
mm.
I don't know whether you aware of this. There is a website called cult.fit. Dot fit also there these days. These days
Okay.
extensions are become crazy, like dot online is there. So many
Okay.
extensions are coming. Now people have a questions
Mm,
like what to take, whether
mm,
should I actually go for .com or .in.
mm,
So my suggestion is whenever you are creating a website,
mhm,
think towards the general public.
mhm,
What people, let's say that people who are in villages or small towns, they are not
mhm,
aware of this online .net kind of thing.
mhm,
You know, only mostly they are aware of .com. Slowly they are aware of .in as well.
mhm,
I've seen some people, because we are a marketers.
mhm,
We see what people are searching. When
mhm,
Bahubali movie released, I've seen
mhm,
some searches like this:
mhm,
Bahubali movie online.com. They search something like this in a Google.
mhm,
They think that, or to search something we need a .com, because they don't have a awareness on that.
mhm, mhm,
So most of the people know only .com, .in only.
mhm,
So I recommend either to take .com or
mhm,
.in.
mhm,
Again, which one is good? Like let's say that Swati.com is there,
mhm,
Swati.in is there.
mhm,
Which one is better? Okay, assume that you're in India and
mhm,
you have a boutique, and you want to sell the boutique items to the Indian
mhm,
audience.
mhm.
I recommend you to go for .in than the .com, because .in is local in India. Assume
Oh,
that your competitor has chosen .com.
yes, sir.
Okay. Swati.com is your competitors and yours is both are into boutique only. Your
Okay.
.in website have a more chances of coming on top in Google than the .com,
How can be so?
because this is more of local. Google understand, okay, this is an Indian website. Let me give boost for the
Yes, sir. In
local.
yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
Even in being in USA, sir, I also whenever I want to search on India's Amazon site, I always type www.amazon.in for
True.
India.
Now
Mm.
you just see here, Amazon have Amazon.com as well.
Yeah.
Amazon also have .in.
Uh,
So Amazon is not mad, right? They know it. That's
mm,
why they created a separate for Indians, because they want to appear on Google as well.
mm,
If they take only .com, someone
mm,
searching for a small product,
mm,
their SEO will not perform well. That's why they go for a .in as well.
mm,
So if you're targeting India, better go for .in. It doesn't mean that this website will not come in US. This website, someone type in US Swati.in, it will open. But when
mm,
it comes to Google rankings,
mm,
like when you go to Google and you want to
mm,
buy laptop online,
mm,
this is the ads. Can you see here? This is the ads. Amazon.in is coming.
mm,
So .in has more value than the .com.
mm.
Okay, right. That is
Yes.
the difference between .com and .in. There are so many extensions, but I recommend if you're targeting India, better go for .in. See, I took only .in only.
Yes, sir.
.com was available, but I was interested more on .in. I took a .in
Mm-hmm.
actually.
Mm-hmm.
So a normal website, odmt.in
Mm,
or www.amazon.com.
Hmm.
So www means nothing but World Wide Web.
Hmm.
Okay. Without this also website will come. When it
Hmm.
comes to this domain name,
Hmm.
and this is the extension. We simply say websites, but this
Hmm.
much of story is there. To create a
Hmm.
website, you have to buy a domain, you have to buy a hosting, and
Hosting.
this process will be there.
Yes, sir.
And remember, 90% of the software jobs, whatever is there, which is
Hmm.
directly or indirectly
Hmm.
related to the website or apps only.
Hmm.
90% of the jobs in the world
Mm-hmm.
directly or indirectly related to that only. Some people create website, some people
Mm-hmm.
maintain database, some people maintain servers, some people maintain security.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, what do you feel, guys? Am I correct or not? People who are watching the live, yes or no type. So 90% of the world jobs, software jobs related to either the websites or apps. Am I correct or not?
Oh,
Right. Okay. Till now, any questions? Is everything clear?
yes, sir.
Now, chalo. Just some small revision we do it. Swati, please tell me. In
Yes,
order
sir.
to create a website, two things are mandatory. What are that?
Domain and host plus hosting, sir.
Domain you want it, and hosting you want
Yes, sir.
it. Okay. What do you
Yes.
mean by domain?
Domain is the name of the website, and
Name of the website. Okay. Hosting
space
means
space in the survey, sir.
space in a
Survey.
server.
Yeah.
Now domain plus hosting equals to website.
Website. Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And do you know where to buy a domain or hosting? As of now.
Domain. GoDaddy and the.
Just now I show you GoDaddy.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
now can you understand how to buy it? Can
Yes,
you able
sir.
to buy domain hosting now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
can you please help me? Now I'm going to the different platform now. Bluehost I'm going here. This is
Okay.
another provider.
Yes, sir.
So first I want to check the domain is available or not. So I'm going to the domain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now,
And type the domain name.
now we have to check the. We have to type the
Yeah.
name.
Now I'm going for Subhash DG.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
And here, see the GoDaddy console is different and this console is different.
Yes, sir.
Uh, One second, guys. Excuse me, take this. Okay. And here we have options like .com, .net, .in, whatever you want, you can take
Yes,
it.
sir.
So I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
going for .in and I'm searching. Now this will tell
Okay,
me
sir.
whether it is available or not.
Mm-hmm.
This is available and is
Yes.
saying it is 579 rupees.
5 scenarios. Yes,
Now
sir.
assume that I proceed and paid. Next, I want to
Okay.
go for a hosting. You can see here
Mm.
hosting,
Hosting.
shared
Yes.
hosting, dedicated VPS. Shared
VPS.
hosting is nothing
Yes.
but your single bedroom or double bedroom.
Yes, sir. Yes,
VPS
sir.
hosting is nothing but your entire floor, first
Mm-hmm.
floor, second floor.
Yes.
Dedicated hosting is nothing buying a complete apartment only. We don't
Yes.
need all these things. This is enough.
One floor.
Initially,
Yes, sir.
for my websites, I've been to shared hosting only. Now I have so many students, right? Now we need a bigger hosting. That's why I took a entire floor. I took VPS hosting. I
Okay.
took. But
Okay.
initially, students, for all of you, shared hosting is enough.
Mm.
Okay, I'm going for a shared hosting. And here, different plans are there. Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store Pro. This is enough. It's telling
Mm-hmm.
that you can have one website, 50
Mm-hmm.
GB storage. When you compare with the GoDaddy, they were
Mm-hmm.
giving 10 GB. This guy is
Mm-hmm.
giving 50 GB. So if
50.
you spend more time, you only understand which one to go.
Oh,
It's
yes,
not
sir.
only cost effective, once you experience how the
Yes.
website speed is there,
Mm.
based on that, you have to choose. Tomorrow, I'll
Mm.
tell you which one I depend, which one I like it. You can also go with that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, this
Mm.
guy is saying something else. He's saying that domain for 1 year free of cost, I'm giving you. You just
Mm.
buy a hosting for 12 months, I'm giving a
Mm.
domain free of cost. That is a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Next thing is 24 by 7 customer support. That is very good. He's also giving the SSL certificate also.
Production.
SSL certificate is nothing but you can see here in my domain, I
Mm.
told you about www.odmt.in only. But apart from
Mm.
that, you can see HTTPS is also there.
Mm-hmm.
This yes means a security.
Mm-hmm.
So if this S is not there, there is a
Mm.
possibility people can hack your website.
Oh.
spam. They can spam on that. Malicious content also they can put it over there.
Okay,
So if
sir.
you have this, yes,
Huh.
they can't. So
Okay, sir.
higher level of security will be there for this.
Got it, sir.
So that is called SSL certificate.
Mm-hmm.
This SSL certificate, host is free
Hmm.
of cost is doing it.
Hmm.
It's good for you,
Hmm.
and everything is fun. Select it. You'll be
Hmm.
having a domain hosting. As exactly, Bluehost is charging you for all these things
Hmm.
for 4,000 rupees. Where domain and hosting for 12 months you can manage.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the story technically. Now, it's all about the name.
Mm-hmm.
Domain name. This is the question you are asking. Domain name technique. So,
Hmm.
how to name a domain? Before that, I'll ask you. You might have faced these
Hmm.
kind of things like in your relatives. They'll be asking you, "I have a baby boy
Hmm.
or a baby girl. I want
Hmm.
to name them. Can you please suggest
Hmm.
some with the S letter, P letter?" Correct?
Hmm.
People take
Hmm.
suggestions.
Hmm.
Okay, and after taking many suggestions they'll confirm one name. Why?
Hmm.
Because once they name it they will not change lifelong. That name will be there. Now
Hmm.
your parents named you Swati, that's it.
Hmm.
You can't change your name. In the same way, once you purchase your domain name, if it is odmt.in, it is odmt.in only. You can't change the name. If you want to change the name, you have to buy a new website only. New domain you have to purchase. Okay, then what are
Yes.
the good practice? What are the good practice? How a domain name should be there? First rule is it should not be more lengthy. Correct? Makes
Okay.
sense, right?
Yes, sir. Makes
If
sense.
it is a domain name something like
Hmm.
this,
Hmm.
best some people take like this.
Hmm.
Best digital marketing course in Hyderabad.com. Is it good?
Hmm. No, sir.
No, right? This is not good. Why?
Huh.
Because if someone asking you what is your domain name, you can't tell best digital marketing course in Hyderabad.com. Definitely, that guy
Yes.
will make mistakes. So
Yes.
people think too much intelligent. They feel that okay, if I have a keyword in domain name, maybe I will rank for this keyword. Yes,
Yes.
it was before, but not now. If you take something like this, nobody
Hmm.
comes to the website and SEO is also its way. So don't take a domain name which is very lengthy like this.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Second, confusing domain names you should not take it. Okay, so one of my student long back, she purchased the domain name called student.com.
Hmm.
Student.com, and I opened student.com,
Hmm.
but I can see a different website. Actually, that is not her website. I can easily understand what is the website. I told her, this kind of pharmacy kind of thing is coming. No sir, mine is different. I asked her, what is your domain name? She said that my domain name is tudnt.com.
Hmm.
This is the domain name. There is no e here.
Hmm.
Then people have this kind of practice, they can do it, but every time you have to
No.
brand them.
Yes, sir.
Student.com, there is no e. How many
Yes,
people
sir.
you? So
Most of the people make mistakes, sir.
you should not take. Now assume that you're a fan of Shah Rukh Khan and you
Hmm.
want to buy a domain name on Shah Rukh Khan,
Hmm.
and you bought it and you
Hmm.
told your audience that my website name is shahrukhkhan.com.
Hmm.
I bet on you, if you
Hmm.
tell 10 people about Shah Rukh Khan, 10 people write 10 different spellings because Shah
Yes,
Rukh Khan is not a normal word actually.
definitely, sir.
So these kind of complicated things you should not take. It has to be very simple, very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
So my
Yes.
suggestion is small,
Yes, sir.
small, easy to pronounce, easy to type. Those kind of domain names works for you. Then how much length should be there? So good practice again. I'm telling you, if it is you can if you get it in 6 letters, that's really great. It's not easy. It's not
Hmm.
easy to get a domain name in 6 letters. Okay, but 6 to 12 is the good domain name. Don't go beyond that. People
Hmm.
can't remember it. 6 to 12 is good one. Okay, so let us practice few things. So how to have it? Okay, so there is a traditional method to name a domain name. Okay, what is this method? In this method, what you can do is your brand name or as a brand keyword plus combination. This combination can be anything. This combination can be your name or animal name or a bird name Let's take Swati want to start a digital marketing agency.
Hmm.
Okay, Swati. So
Hmm.
what is your brand keyword now? What is your business? Your business is digital marketing, right?
Marketing. Yes, sir.
But if I take both words, it itself crossing 12 characters. So either I
Hmm.
should take a digital or marketing. I
Hmm.
should that I want to go with the digital.
Hmm.
Plus combination, your name, Swati.
Hmm.
Digitalswati.com. Got it?
Hmm.
You
Yes,
got a
sir.
domain name now.
Yes, sir.
Digitalswati.com. Now you say that no, I don't want to use my name. Then
Hmm.
go with the digital plus one animal name. There are so
Yes,
many
sir.
animals, right? If
Yes,
you want
sir.
to go for digitalpanda.com, digitalpenguin.com. In such a way, find out some animal name and you can use it. This is another. Or else you can use the bird name as well. Or
Yes, sir.
else some Latin word, digital plus some Latin word,
Hmm.
Spanish words. You can try something like that. This is a very traditional method. Easily you can find the domain name with this. This is one method. Second thing, like abbreviations or acronyms, you can go for it. Now, see, I thought to go for. I want to take a online digital marketing training. This is what because I want to tell the audience that I'm teaching a digital marketing training which is
Yes, sir.
online, but this is
Yeah.
very big one.
Big
That's what
one.
it is. ODMT dot.
Empty. Yes, sir.
Now, in such a way, there are so many websites like this. JNTU,
Hmm.
JNTU also there.
Hmm.
OU is there. Any other things you know?
Hmm.
Anything something like this? Audience, anybody know these kind of websites which have acronym? This is another method.
Hmm.
Third, uh,
Like MTNL,
yes, yes,
RINL.
yes.
Yes,
There
sir.
are so many. There are so
Yes,
many.
sir.
There is one more method which is called contrast. Contrast means, let's take example. You have an e-commerce website. You're selling products online, t-shirts, mugs, these things you want. So mostly, what kind of name you go for it? Is that you are selling a t-shirts online. So what would you name them? Normal Swati t-shirts.com, something you do it.
Uh,
But will you name a river name like Ganga.com? Can you do this?
no, sir.
But what Amazon did it?
Hmm.
Amazon.com, what Amazon is a river, right? Amazon is a forest, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So does Amazon.com, it doesn't mean it's an e-commerce website, but they created a brand with that. So Amazon is a forest name or river name, they put
Hmm.
it and they created an illusion to us that we
Hmm.
are a e-commerce website. So the same word they repeated again and again and we'll believe that's it. This is the contrast method. If you
Yes,
go
sir.
for any brands, they go for a contrast method only. You can see Nike, okay,
Nika. Yes, sir.
Swiggy,
Puma.
okay, Ola,
Ola.
Uber, Oyo. Now, there is no meaning for thing. Oyo doesn't mean hotel. Uber nothing doesn't mean that cab. Swiggy doesn't mean food.
Hmm.
So they took some name. It's a
Hmm.
contrast one. But what you like in all of them is all are small,
Hmm.
6 characters, less than 6 characters, 6 to 12 only, and very simple. If someone if I say Ola, nobody type mistake. Oyo, nobody type mistake. Amazon, nobody type mistake. That much of simple is there. So brand names, you can do something like this. Now, is it clear for you, like how to go for a how to name a domain name? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next thing is intentionally, you can do spelling mistakes as well.
Hmm.
Just now, before this live, I spoke to one AWS state. He thought to take a domain called cloudarchitect.com. This is what he wanted to buy. Cloudarchitect.io something. Assume .com you want to buy. But problem is already someone else purchased it.
Hmm.
It is not available. You know what he did? Any idea, guys? Who are watching? He did one spelling mistake. He purchased. If you strike something, just type in the comment. So I think what possibility is there without changing the meaning of this? and the pronunciation will come same. But he purchased. Any guess what he purchased?
So I can't see the name. You just written down the screen. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I can see the cloud
Cloudarchitect.com.
architect.com.
He made a small spelling mistake, and still, when I sound it, it is same.
Small
So
H
I'll tell you.
H mistake.
Simple thing. What he done is Suraj. Any idea? So he did just replaced with K.
Oh,
Okay, you got it.
okay.
Cloudarchitect.com. So he added K before it.
Mm-hmm.
That also makes sense. Okay. He want desperately this name only, but if it is not available, you can go for something like this. But
Okay.
you have to work hard on this to promote that it is not C, it is K. Now, if you see this, there is a program in India, weight loss therapy. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Colors, but their website name is Colors.
Mm-hmm.
This is their website name, and people believe, and people are going over there.
Mm-hmm.
If you establish something like this, they never type C, they'll come back to you because they are habituated to see your brand colors.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you're not getting a domain name, something like this, you can try in this way also. You can intentionally add a spelling mistake like this. There are so many websites like this. There is one app in lockdown, I've seen this, that is called Grow,
Mm-hmm.
but they added one more W at the end because GROW was not available. So they added
Mm-hmm.
GROWW. Still the meaning is same. Okay, people can
Yes, sir.
try something like this as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the introduction class, and I hope you learned something today.
Yes, sir. I've learned so much, sir.
And every day you will be having a class, Swati, and
Yes,
I'm
sir.
giving a task.
Yes,
People
sir.
who watching live also, you can do the task and you can submit it to me. And today's task is, first,
Hmm.
think about one business you wanted to do online. Think of anything. It can be a boutique, it can be e-commerce store, it can be a driving
Okay,
school,
sir.
it can be ambulance, it can be wedding photography. Think about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second, name it.
Okay, sir.
I want you to name it. And
Yes,
this
sir.
name, I want you to follow. I want you to name it in a different ways. One traditional name you try it.
Okay, sir.
Traditional name is business keyword plus combination.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is one you can try.
Yes, sir.
Second thing is what I said, spelling mistakes. You try one. One you can try contrast.
Okay.
One the abbreviation I so right, that also
Yes,
you
sir.
can try it. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
after that check availability, whether they are available or not. Also check it.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and give me some 10 domain names. The idea of giving the task is I want to make
Okay,
you to
sir.
think about it.
Okay,
So
sir.
digital marketing is all about learning from the mentor, and you
Yes,
also
sir.
think about it, you also practice it, and then
Yes, sir.
deliver. Then only you'll
Definitely,
become
sir.
a perfect digital marketer.
Definitely, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
With all this information, I'm trying to create one material also. I'll be
Mm-hmm.
giving you, as of now, I'll be WhatsApp you all these details.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
viewers who are watching, if you are new to this, if you want to do it also,
Mm.
you can send it to my email address. In the description I'll be mentioning my email address, a new Gmail ID I'll be creating. To that Gmail address you can send me. I will watch your assignments also, so that you can also learn, you can also grow. Right,
Okay,
so
sir.
that's all for today. If you have any questions you can tell me. Ati,
Yes, sir.
no questions, right?
No, sir. Not right now, sir.
No.
Yes,
Tomorrow
sir.
we'll see you at 7 p.m. again, and
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
we'll be buying a domain hosting, and I'll set
Okay,
up
sir.
everything. I will install a WordPress as well.
So
Okay?
I have to send you. So do I have to send you
Correct. You can send
today's
it
task
directly
on my
to
mail?
my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
No Right, guys, that was a session. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Tamiz Kural, I already learned more because of your videos. Thank you, man. Where are you from? Have you learned something? You have any questions? Arpit Anand, I'm passing in class 12th and you help me for my decision what I'm doing for a good man. You want to become a good man? First, learn something, focus on that. Your focus will be here, and you make money. You are a good man already. WeChat Telugu photography series. I'm coming to Telugu. Yes, I'm coming to Telugu channel, guys. Right, guys. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, 7 p.m. We'll see you again. Bye bye. Take care.